If you've ever bought Klein tools, you already know they are not cheap. So I went to Lowe's and found 12 of Klein's top performers, all for under 20 bucks. Because at that price, there is simply no way they're all worth it. And one of these is a complete waste of money. So we're breaking these tools into 3 distinct categories: smart buy, situational purchase, and a straight out skip. This is the 7-piece grab and go impact socket set. These are impact rated sockets using heat treated CRMO steel and are designed for real job site or garage use. It's got a quick access socket sleeve so you can grab what you need fast, and a carabiner so you can clip it to your bag or belt. These are SAE sizes from 1/4 inch up to 9/16. Basically everything you actually use. They do come in a metric set from 8 to 13 millimeters, and for under $18, this is just one of those tools you'll use constantly. It's a smart buy. And up next from Klein, we've got the Nano tubing cutter. It has free spinning rollers for smooth cutting and a durable blade for long life. And the solid steel contoured knob actually makes adjustments pretty smooth. But here's the thing. If you're not working with copper or aluminum tubing regularly, you're probably never touching this. But for all my plumbers and hardcore DIYers, this may be right up your alley. I'm giving this situational purchase. Next up is the 7-in-1 ratcheting impact rated Stubby screwdriver. Now this little guy is super handy. This little screwdriver is part of their KNECT system, so everything swaps super fast and is interchangeable between drivers. You've got Phillips head, slotted head, nut drivers all in one. For all my electricians and HVAC techs, you know why this screwdriver is so important. This thing just saves time. It's a smart buy all day long. And coming in hot next is the Klein 5-piece bit holder set with carabiner. It locks bits in place and holds them there with a quick release retention collar. The retention is solid, but it is very light feeling and not good light. Like if I was blind and you placed this in my hand, I would guess it came from Harbor Freight. Your money's better spent on the Milwaukee version. It's easily twice as thick and the retention is noticeably better. Maybe for your baby, but I can't recommend this one to anyone else. It's a straight up skip. Let me know down in the comments. You choosing Milwaukee or the baby rattle? Next up, we have the 6-inch impact dual lock extension. It is easily my favorite tool in this entire lineup. Why? Because it has a primary quick release and a secondary twist lock. It's not coming out unless you want it to. So if you're driving fasters all day, this can save you a lot of frustration and is super handy when you need just a bit more length. This is a 6-inch, they do also make it in 12. So at only $9.43, this 6-inch dual locking impact extension is an absolute smart buy. Coming up next in our lineup is the cut resistance knit dipped gloves. The microfoam nitrile coating gives you grip in dry, oily, and wet conditions. The last pair of these I had lasted for over 5 years. I mean, at only $8 a pair, just get the 2-pack. It's a smart buy. Next up, we have the ultra tiny compact magnetic stud finder. And in theory, it finds studs by locating screws. This thing does find the screw, but the screw isn't always in the center of the stud. This thing is on the very tail end of the stud. So if I go to screw right here, if I put another one right here, it's probably not hitting the stud. In reality, the magnetic stud finder is super inconsistent. And for something that's supposed to make your job easier, this ain't it. If you have absolutely nothing else, it could work for you. But there are far better options out there for not a lot more money. This one's gonna be a skip. But what I want to talk about now is that we are almost at 2,000 subscribers. If you haven't already, please do us a favor. Click that subscribe button. It really helps us out. All right, next up on our list, we have the Klein Digital Pocket Thermometer. It does high, low, and average temperatures for the ambient air that you're testing. But unless you're an HVAC guy or a mechanic, you don't need this. But for me, if I'm trying to diagnose an air conditioning problem in my own house, it's pretty useful. Let me show you. 81.6. Stick your probe in. So after just a matter of minutes, you can see that the air coming out of my AC register floor vent, after only a few minutes, is now 51.6. So don't guess if your air feels cold. Know for sure. So while this thing is super useful, for the majority of people out there, it's probably a situational purchase. And another one of my favorites that we have in the test today is this, the Klein Flickblade folding knife with blade storage. This knife is super simple, but it is also very functional. So at $14.38, only $1 more than the regular Flickblade, this thing is a smart buy. All right, next up we have the Klein Skribes mechanical marking tool. And it absolutely stinks. It does mark well on most job site materials, uses durable 2.8mm lead that resists breaking, has a built-in sharpener, and gives you a narrow tip for tight spaces. But it feels like it was made for children. I mean, listen to this. It's just awful. Like when you compare it to an ox pencil, there's just no comparison. This thing feels refined, robust, and ready for work. This thing feels like I should give it to my 5-year-old. Everything about it just says cheap. And for about the same price, this one just simply can't compete. So in case it wasn't glaringly obvious already, the Klein Skribes pencil, skip it. Next up on our tool list is going to be staying in the Skribes family with the Skribes XL Chisel Tip Permanent Marker. And this thing rocks. Klein claims it works on wet, oily, and dusty surfaces, has an extra large tip for thick, bold markings, and gives you long-lasting writing performance. And that's exactly what it does. It's bold, easy to see, and dead simple. And for $3.13, it's almost too easy. It's a smart buy. So if you want to pick up any of the tools shown in today's video, the best place to do it's going to be that YouTube shopping button down below. And for my TV viewers, it's going to be the QR code right about here. And rounding out our test today is the medium cut compact hacksaw. And for $13.48, it's kind of one of those tools that looks a little gimmicky until you put it to work. Klein says that it has an easy tool-free blade change, works with most 10-inch and 12-inch hacksaw blades, and is designed for cutting in low clearance workspaces. And the low clearance part is the whole point. This is not replacing a full-size hacksaw. And in a pinch, it could also be used as a flush cut saw. For under 14 bucks, this just makes sense. Smart buy. So here's the deal. Most of these are completely worth it. But these two, leave them on the shelf. Now, if you thought these Klein tools were wild, check out the Milwaukee $20 or less tools in the video that I just made right here. As always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. God bless.